Hi friends, it's me Adrian and I have got my new HX750 drone. Now let us unbox it and look what's there inside. We are going to unbox the HX750 drone and let us start the unboxing. As you can see, I have gotten remote control over here. Keep it aside. You can also see some manual instructions, extra propellers and the charging device. Now let's open the drone. So you can see it is in another box. Let us keep this aside. See, this is our quadcopter. So you can see this. Now I am going to show you how to run it. So you can see two cables over here like this. Connect them and your LED lights will start glowing, and keep it aside. And I look out for the remote control. First I insert the batteries of the remote control. And then you open this. So you can now see you will need 3 AAA batteries. So I put them on. And close it. Tighten it with this screw and we are going to tighten it. Okay. And now let us see how this remote control works. So I don't want any damage to happen to the quadcopter in this room, so I just take it out. Otherwise the batteries, when they are connected, the drone will start flying. So when you want to on it, see this button over here, and you can hear the sound. And when you want to fly it, just do like this and come back. So now when you pull this over here like this, it will start flying, and this are the left and right, up and down, forward and backward. This is the up and down one, and we can see many buttons over here. Before starting the drone, let us see the user manual, the application instruction. You can see there are many things written on this: how to fly the drone, how to make it left and right, what is the charging time, and all. So as I have read it, the charging time of this drone is 40 minutes maximum. If you exceed it, it might be some fatal problems for this battery. So let's get it outside and begin the first flight test. Thank you for watching my channel, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye.